Outside of Chicago, the peregrine falcon nests in the Sitka spruce tree. In the Pacific Northwest, they sometimes nest among or under Sitka spruce tree roots on steep slopes. Peregrine falcons love this type of tree because it is very tall, which is beneficial for overlooking the prey they may want to eat. This specific tree ranges from the southern Alaskan coast to northern California and can grow to 300 feet or more and live for nearly a millennium. To identify Sitka spruce, you first need to know that it is an evergreen tree. The needles of the tree are stiff, bristly, bright green with bluish to grayish green, with prickly ends and somewhat flattened. The bark is thin, scaly, gray-brown on younger trees and becomes deep reddish-brown with large, flattenedly detached scales. In late January through March, as the season begins, the adult peregrines are once again seen together at the natal territory and are fully engaged in courtship activities. During courtship, aerial behaviors including hunting as a pair, food transfers, and flight displays. The pair will also tend to be more defensive of the area. On the nest ledge, the male will busy himself getting the nest ready. Peregrines do not build nests out of twigs like many birds, but rather dig a shallow depression or cup in the existing substrate called a scrape. Chicago's climate has already begun to shift and will continue to do so in the face of global climate change. Since 1980, the average temperature has risen by about 2.6 degrees. Trees and plants flower earlier in the spring and frosts occur later in the fall. There have been several major heat waves in recent years, and the amount of winter ice on Lake Michigan is decreasing. Heavy rainstorms are also increasing in frequency. As our climate shifts, so do our delicate ecosystems. Many native species will go extinct or migrate to more suitable land, and many non-native species will move in. Since peregrine falcons feed on other birds, that limits them from having prey to eat due to the fact of migration of bird species and possibly other types of organisms. Peregrine falcons rank high in the food web, capable of taking prey nearly as large as themselves. Peregrine falcons in Chicago eat city-dwelling pigeons, mourning doves, Eurasian-collared doves, bats, and also jays. Outside of Chicago, peregrine falcons feed on shorebirds, ptarmigan, ducks, grebes, gulls, storm petrels, and songbirds including thrushes, longspurs, buntings, larks, waxwings, and starlings. They occasionally pirate prey, including fish and rodents from other raptors. One particular species of bird is the Eurasian-collared dove. The Eurasian-collared dove is an invasive species in the Chicagoland. It is considered a pest species because it competes with native species outside its native range. It can be a problem in agricultural areas, especially where grains are grown. It can be a carrier for West Nile virus. It is hunted in some areas, but generally will little effect on the overall population. Thank you, and have a great day.